Greetings! Blank rows in your data aren't just annoying. They can break formulas, ruin analysis, and make clean data messy. Let's fix them for good. Right-click the row and select Delete. Or delete the row from the Home tab. Sort the data by cell values. Delete the blank rows at the bottom of the data. Select the range and apply filters. Filter blank cells. Select the blank rows and delete. Select a column. On the Home tab, from Find and Select, click Go to Special. Under Select, choose Blanks. Click OK to close. The blank cells are selected. Now delete the selected rows. Select a column. From the Home tab, open the Find dialog. Leave the Find What field blank. Ensure Match Entire Cell Content is selected. Choose Look in Values. Click Find All. Select all the result. The blank cells will be highlighted. Close the Find box. Now delete the selected rows. Type the displayed formula to get data with no blank rows.